Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rambler project here. So right now I've got this a whole lot cleaner. I'm still working at it. I'm not going to put in the insulation when there's still some rust. That side's a lot better than this side for whatever reason, but it's still pretty solid all the way through here. I mean, obviously this spot in particular, but like even over here, there's no rust holes as far as I can see. There's some spots that's down to the metal, but that's fine. I have been going at it to try and clean all the rust out. Some of the paint is coming out here, which is, again, fine. Makes sense for this old of a car to be like this, and also probably because these foot chillers where the air goes in are right there, so if you forgot to close them, then the water can get in there easily. So yeah, and then I've got the back seat up there, and then that seat's still over here for now. And I've also been doing a coolant flush. So this is 2.5, basically third flush. That's the first one. Color's pretty good, but yeah, I'm only doing, I already used 3 gallons of distilled water. And there was, I think, 2.5 gallons in there before. And I've got some of this prime that I'm going to put in it after I get through the rest of the water through the coolant system. And then also notice that, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be in here like this. It was in here like that. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure on that one, because if that was a mod that was done previously. Huh, interesting. So, it seems like that's where it's supposed to be, more or less, but I'll have to play with it some, see if it runs better one way or another. And then I did also notice that the spring, this one here is pretty loose, and this whole thing is, but it's still working fine, so I'm not going to mess with it. The air conditioner is currently unplugged, and then the compensator for it is right here, which I'll have to look at the diagram, see how that goes. I may not need it, but it is supposed to, when there's the air conditioner's on, it pushes this up farther in idle. So that's what this does. So I can get it in the video. When the power is supplied to it, it does that, and then after a certain period of time, it goes back down. And then, yeah, that's what I've been working on here. I will take out the passenger seat when I'm getting ready, because I have to get kind of under it to do the insulation there. But yeah, that's the progress I've done today. And also I put in a phone holder up here so that I can have music and GPS and stuff when I'm driving. I might move it. There seems a bit obvious, but I don't know. It's just a suction cup, so it's easy enough to move around and it won't damage anything. I wasn't sure if the sticky ones were better or not, but the sticky ones have the potential to damage things, even if they don't. Let's see. And then at some point here, I'm gonna have to figure out why the blower isn't turning on anymore. But This is mostly original wiring with some repairs that have been done. Kind of see that there. And then probably put in another set of the distilled water here. And then once I run out of the distilled water, I'll put in the coolant again. Figured it was time for a clean, so yeah, I think that's all I have for right now. I'll probably post another video here when I have more done on it, but oh yeah, I'll show you. Here's the tag for the air conditioner if you can read it. It's an old York model, it looks like. But yeah, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll post another video here soon, so have a good one.